the illusion of perfection. The flavors of life, once rich and true, faded beneath a sheen of artificiality. We yearn for the real, yet settle for shadows, mere imitations. In this curated reality, we pose, we pretend, hiding behind masks of perfection, too afraid to bear our true selves. The world is a stage, and we, its very actors, recite lines, play roles, losing touch with the soul's raw truth. Adrift in a sea of vanity, where likes and followers define our worth. We forget the quiet grace of simplicity, the beauty of bare life. In this fake, cosmetic life, we chase the elusive, a perfect image, a perfect lie, forsaking the joy of being beautifully flawed. Oh, to taste the real once more, unfiltered, unapologetic, where love, laughter, and tears are the only tears that truly matter.